Oh no. Oh no, it's blurry. Why? What? Oh, it's still blurry. Bakit ganun? Thank you so much. Ba't ganon? Just said hello. Is it super super blurry or carry na? It does look a little blurry to me. Oh no. Okay, let me try it to go live again. Ba't ang blurry? Cookie Mo, thank you so much. It's so blurry naman. That's so sad. Kasi wala akong magagawa. This is my net talaga. Cookie Mo! I blow dried it on TikTok. I blow dried it with this, guys. I finally got this thing. But yeah, Happy New Year, everyone. Good evening. Okay, wait, let me just finish my... let me finish my makeup. Happy anniversary! Clear view. JP Mendoza, thank you so much. It's so clear, no? I miss you guys too. Sige, wait, let me just finish my makeup and let's start the chica. Thank you so much, user Frank. Thank you so much, guys. Vintage, hello. User Frank, thank you po. Ate Chi, thank you. Wow, for the new PP yarn. We love it. Ha, mama? Ha? Oh, wait, let me disconnect this phone. Wait lang, let me connect to mama's Wi-Fi. Huh? Oh, wait, that. Hello, Sean. Hi, everyone. Yana, hello. But yeah, like I said on TikTok, I'm gonna talk about like the updates in my life and everything. I wanna update everyone, and I wanna be very transparent, and I wanna be very honest to myself and what I've been going through lately. But yeah, this is gonna be a safe space for everyone. Vintage, hello. Happy anniversary, Saka. Thank you so much, Sean. Isa, thank you so much. Hello, Kay. Hello po. Kapeni Benedicts, hello. Charmers Nizak, hi everyone. Raf Vendors, hello. Oh my gosh, there's so many of you guys here. Thank you so much for joining me. Sean, thank you. Vintage, thank you so much. Zarmers, hello. Hi everyone. Just Danny Real, hello. Okay, let me just finish my makeup. I'm gonna update everyone. I wanna talk about what's been going on in Sam's life and everything. Hello guys. Why is the username like that? But hello. Hi everyone. Let me just finish my makeup real quick. I don't want to do too much, but I want to be presentable pa rin. Oh, Cookie Mo, thank you so much. Wow, your profile picture, thank you. Hi, besties. Good evening. Happy anniversary, Cookie family. Thank you so much for being here pa rin and supporting us both. Thank you talaga. Adrian, hello. Sean, thank you so much. I'm so excited to share everything today. I don't know what's gonna be the turnout of this live, but I hope that wala lang, I just want to share stuff. Just Danny, hello, vintage. Because as much as it's important to um, it's important to be transparent. Hello, JMRC May Santos, Sweet Silver. Thank you, Ate Sandy. Hello. Okay. I'm almost done for my makeup. Not really, but like I wanna be simple makeup girl today. JLMRC, thank you. Do I have a mirror? Yes, I do. Hello, Stacy. Ate Chi, thank you so much. Wow, 210 viewers. Hello. I don't wanna do makeup on my eyelid because my eye is still swollen, which I'm gonna talk about then later. Cookie Melon, hello. Hi, Kay. Hey, hello. I bought a new eyelash curly. Cookie Melon, hello po. Adrian, thank you, Scorpio. Oh, thank you so much, user 7312. I'm also very lucky to have you guys. Promise. Alam ko na maru. Oh my gosh, Kuya Blumon, thank you! Thank you so much. Mrs. Wise, hello. Robins, thank you so much. Hi po, Mrs. Wise. Thank you so much for having us on Bahay ni Kumu. Kuya Blumon, thank you so much. User Val, thank you. Sulima, thank you so much po. Okay, we're gonna get real in this live. Wala lang, I just want to share what's been on my mind lately. And I want to be transparent with everything that's been going on with me the past few months slash weeks since it's the new year. I want to share everything. And I want to be, I want to be happy and a clear mind in 2023. Thank you so much, Ate Chi. Kuya Bong, thank you. Shout out to the 229 viewers. Thank you for joining me. Thank you so much for joining me. It really means a lot to me. I know you guys are busy and this is your TikTok time, but you're spending it with me. Thank you so much. Actually, guys, hindi lang kayo ang nag-adjust for today. Char! I was supposed to meet my best friend, Esther. I didn't, because I didn't see her since September 15, bestie. We live in the same city, but I didn't see her September 15. Tapos sabi niya, let's date na daw. Date na daw tayo. But then usually her shift ends at 6 a.m. Eddie, thank you. Thank you rin talaga for adjusting. Kasi ako rin nag-adjust sa inyo. Char! Like, I adjusted talaga. I made today happen. I really made it to happen. Because I wasn't supposed to go live talaga today. But I couldn't. My consciousness was like, dapat mag-live ako today. No matter what, I have to go live talaga today. So, what happened is, thank you rin talaga. So, what happened was, I was supposed to meet my bestie today. I didn't see her since September 15, and we have never caught each other's free time because you know how busy my month was last month, and then she was so busy because she's a working nurse, she's a registered nurse and everything. So that she doesn't have a super consistent schedule. Yung schedule niya is like, you're off today, you have work today, you can't miss today. Parang super inconsistent ng schedule niya. So we haven't been able to see each other since our birthday week, like which was September 15. And hi Kathleen. So yun, we never caught each other free time. Grabe, ang daming nangyayari. We didn't meet up. We didn't have to update each other. We barely even call, to be honest, kasi ang hirap. Like, it's so hard because, we're adults now. We have a lot of things going on in our lives. So, yun, she was like, bestie, no matter what happens, we have to meet today. And then I was like, okay, bestie, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna date on, what's the date today? On January 3rd, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna date. Sabi ko, no, it's not your, hindi niyo kasalanan, guys. It's just that things happened and it was meant to be. Sorry, no. Huwag kayo ganyan, no? I'm just explaining. I'm explaining talaga. So, yun. Sorry. So, yun. Usually yung shift niya, it ends at 6 in the morning. Night shift siya. I think it starts 6 p.m. and then it ends 6 a.m. So, yun, we were like, we'll meet in the afternoon or evening of January 3rd. So we're like, okay, we're gonna make it happen. That's gonna happen. And then, uh, I was already asleep at 9 p.m. Let me just say, I slept at 9 o'clock last night. So she's on her early night routine schedule. So like 9 o'clock I slept na. I was like, Bestie, just message me tomorrow and we'll see how it goes from there. So yun, I wake up to her messages. Tapos instead of 6 a.m. na umuwi, may nangyari. So there was something with her patient. So she had to go home at 10. Hi, Rain De La Torre. Hello. Oh wait, oh my gosh, what's happening in the comments? But yeah, so she was like, bestie, 10 o'clock. I just got home. It's already 10 o'clock, almost 11 na. Ate Precious, thank you so much. And then I was like, oh my gosh, bestie, baka kulang yung tulog mo. Because if she will sleep at 10 o'clock, let's say 6 hours, what time would that be? It's like really late afternoon na. Ate Precious, thank you. And then I was starting to be like, oh no, she got home late. So baka kulang yung tulog niya or we will end up going like super, super late at night. So I was like, I don't think it's a good idea not to go out because it's late na. Tapos I don't want to go home. I don't want to go out late at night. So I told her na lang, bestie, I'm not gonna go na lang. You sleep na lang because I don't think you'll wake up early. Ate Precious, thank you so much. So yun, tama naman ako. She woke up at 8:30 already because, it's gonna cancel. I knew that it wasn't gonna happen because she went home like 4 hours later than she intended to. Thank you so much, Ate Precious! Grabe, ang daming halo-halo. But yeah, she said, yun, she ended up waking up at 8:30. So I was like, okay, this is not gonna be tuloy. So I already like assumed that we won't go. And yun, so nag-live na lang ako. But like the plan was initially dinner and we were supposed to like have a dinner like late at night, but I was like, no need na lang, and I really want to go live na lang today. Red Rose, thank you so much, Vintage. But then we sorted it out and we're actually going on the date tomorrow. So tomorrow is officially Esther plus Seham Day. Thank you so much, guys. But yeah, I was like, kailangan ko talaga mag-live today. Hindi ko kaya nawala. So I was like, I really have to, yeah, it's our anniversary today. So I really want to make sure that I go live today. Thank you so much, Rain. Thank you so much to everyone who's dropping gifts. So yun. Thank you, Galang Pusa. Oh wait, let me finish my makeup. Ang dami kong ebas. She said, Gen Z Tagalog. But yeah, thank you so much, bestie. I really do want to spend time with you. So thank you so much. But yeah, wait lang. Let me grab my highlights, huh? I'm almost done with my makeup. But yeah, that's the update. Tomorrow we're gonna have a cute coffee date, catch up with the bestie. But we already made plans now. So tomorrow for the tuloy na talaga. And yeah, she totally understands. And I knew naman na if we end up pushing today, she's gonna be super tired and going out at night is not a good idea because last time I did that, oh my god, it was so hard to it's been really hard to book uh grabs lately. So yeah. Wait lang. Oh, Kuya Bong, thank you so much. Yeah. Let me finish my makeup and then we'll start talking more because I cannot multitask today. My mind's not doing that. Galang Pusa, thank you so much, Kuya Bong. Vintage, and thank you so much to everyone who's joining me here sa live ko. Thank you so much for 250 viewers. Ang dami niyo today. Thank you for joining me. I know it is the anniversary today. Thank you so much, Kuya JP. Kuya Bong, thank you. Thank you po. So yeah, that's the update for today. Thank you for joining me. Like I said, I know it's your TikTok time, but you're really choosing to spend it with me, which I really appreciate it because I know it's hard to watch lives all throughout, because I watch lives from time to time, um, random people on TikTok and stuff, but it never usually catches my eye unless it's something get ready with me related. Kuya Bong, thank you. So thank you for spending your time with me and listening to my talks kahit puro ano lang, char lang. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna chica a lot today. I really want to talk about mental health and everything. I really want to be transparent, so I'm gonna share what I've been going through. And I want this to be a super safe space for everyone. Thank you, JLMRC. Thank you so much. But yeah, I want this to be a super safe space for everyone. And I want this 2023 to be like, you know, the year of taking care of yourself and being self-aware, being self-conscious and everything like that. So, you know, Kuya Bong, thank you. Robins, thank you so much. Thanks everyone for joining. But yeah, mayong gabi. Wait, I need to drink water. But life update, I bought this brush and my life is so much easier. Like as in, it took me how many minutes on TikTok? 15, 20 minutes to get my hair done. Thank you, Kuya Bong. My life is so much easier. Like I don't have to suffer like I did before. Unlucky, yeah. But it's really nice because it gets a lot of hair. Hello, everyone. Mm. Mm. Hi! Okay, I'm gonna make chika, guys. Ang dami kong gustong i-share. Oh my gosh. Wait, I am so dehydrated. I'm ready to talk for 3 hours now. Okay. Wow. I'm so dehydrated. But yeah. Antok ka na, Robins? Mas start pa lang gani. You're going na. Ano? Oh my God, Robins! Thank you so much. Hala! Robin, thank you! I was ready to fight you. I was like, why are you leaving? I'm about to start na. Sana antok ka. Thank you so much, Robin. Thank you, thank you. Good night. Why? Why are you leaving? I'm ready to do my talk pa. Wag. Wag kang umalis. I started 10 o'clock because it's the perfect time to to make chika. Or you use my voice as your pampatulog. Mamaya na. Good night. Oh, iniwan niya. You left us, guys. Thank you, Diami. Thank you so much. Okay, I'm using one of my favorite lippies. This is from, maybe it's Mabel Lemon. Wow. And birthday suit on. It's so good. Such a perfect. I don't know why my hands are shaking. Oh my Kuya Bong! Thank you! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Kuya Bong. Ang lakas. Thank you po. My hands are shaking. Maybe because I was painting kanina. Okay. Let's go, Kuya Bong. Thank you so much. You're almost at 100K. Bagay talaga sa'yo walang bangs. OMG, bestie. Ginupat, like, they cut my curtain bangs. Thank you so much, Kuya Bong. Because, like, you know, I messed up. I really played with my hair just to have fun. You know, when I'm bored. Oh my gosh, Karel, thank you. Thank you so much. Kuya Bong, thank you po. Wait lang, let me get a red. Oh, I had a red lip. Tita Lat, hello po. Good evening. Thank you so much for joining po, Tita Lat. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. I hope that you had a wonderful New Year. Me and Mama were just here in the house lang talaga. Sana masarap na. Tita Lan, they're making fun of me. Because I asked you what was your ulam last time po. Yay! Happy 100K everyone! Okay, let me remove my hair and let us start the chika. I'm gonna talk a lot today. So the trick daw when you pull your hair down from the blower, dapat ganyan. Like i-twist mo. I don't know if that did anything. Hi! Wow, 284 viewers. Thank you so much. Hello, Ali. Hello po. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Hello, Alessio. Hello. Good evening po. Thank you so much for joining my live. Ayan. So let me just put my hair down. Let's see if the volume will be there. I didn't do my whole head na. No, bestie, I'm not going anywhere. I really got ready for you guys. You know me. I want to look presentable to you guys. Oh my gosh, do you see the volume? Wow! Oh my gosh, 290! Thank you so much. We're almost at 300 viewers. Grabe, thank you guys for supporting me. Kami lang to me. Madami akong chika, guys. I really want to talk about everything. Everything that's going on. Thank you, Chica Valiente. Your name's so cool, Chica Valiente. Ako lang naman po si Chica Valiente. Hours, grabe ka my self-care era. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Wait lang. Chica Valiente. Oh, brave girl. Kaya pala, that's the meaning. Wait, my dad is calling. Why is my bangs like that? But they fixed my bangs, guys. I know you guys don't like it, but I feel incomplete without it talaga. But I will, wait, let me fix it. Fave ni Ate Chia. Thank you, Cupid Z. This is me with like straighter-ish hair. Thank you, user man. Wait lang, let me just... I want the volume po. Actually, it's such a waste doing my hair because I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wash it naman tomorrow. Thank you so much, Christina. Yes, lumipat po ako. Oh my gosh, do you guys see what the hair did? Wow! That blower is so worth it. JLMRC, thank you. Yeah, I got my hair cut. I love my haircut. This is the best haircut that I've gotten ever. And I love a hairstylist who listens. That is so important to me. And my hairstylist um, really helped me with my hair. I gave him like tips that I wanted. I was like, I really want a straight cut, and uh I want face framing layers. Thank you, Mina. But yeah, I love my hairstylist, and thank you. Yes, this is the work of Glam Central. Can you believe it? Like my hair didn't get shorter. It's still the same length, but they did their magic. As in a good hairstylist listens. So we love that. Yes, dun ka lagi sa Glam Central. True. Ganda ng hair tapos ang shine. Yeah, they did a treatment actually. Like, they did like this keratin type treatment for the shininess. That's why I was wondering, why is my hair shiny? Yun pala, I forgot. I got a hair treatment. They treated my hair. Tapos sabi nila, finally, nakatikim ng hair treatment yung hair mo. Oh, thank you, 1111. Oh, yeah, that's actually something I really want to talk about. Wait, wait, I have something to share with you guys. Ate Tricycle, hello po. Wait lang. But yeah, okay, wait. Let's get this live started officially. Ate Tricycle, thank you. But yeah, guys, let me just say officially happy anniversary! Happy anniversary to us. If I was uh like if it weren't for you guys, I wouldn't be here where I am today. Sa totoo lang. And I really owe it to you guys, my supporters, my besties. Thank you so much for being here and supporting me all throughout my journey. It really does mean a lot. Kuya Bong, Ate Tricycle, thank you. But yeah, I just really want to say thank you. Opening remarks. Yes, guys. Okay, let's start the national anthem. Char joke lang. Chica Valiente, thank you. But yeah, I just want to say to everyone, happy anniversary. I really wanted to celebrate with you guys. I'm even wearing the color. Like, I want to wear the brown because today is that day. Thank you so much to everyone. And guys, I also want to say thank you to for making us trend on Twitter. Thank you so much, guys. I finally got my Twitter account back. I am so happy I finally got it back. And it took so much time. I really emailed them every single day so that so that I can get it back. Yeah, we're almost at 300 viewers. Thank you so much. But yeah, and I really want to say thank you rin to my burgers. I know that 1 year passed, Dren. Thank you so much for being so supportive. Thank you talaga, guys. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, we were trending at number 3 daw kanina. Nakita ko. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting me and supporting Zach. Thank you talaga. It really means a lot. And, I have achieved so many things because of your guys' support. Sabi ko, like, if it weren't for you guys being maingay, I wouldn't have what I have today. As in, I'm really, really appreciative of you. And yeah, and I just want to say that I love you and I appreciate you and I can't wait to see you guys soon. Thank you talaga for helping me and for believing in me always. So yeah. See you sa Saturday. Oh my gosh, it's this Saturday. Happy 300 viewers. Oh my gosh. Zakamto, thank you. Thank you so much. Rusty, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Zakamto, thank you po. It really means a lot to me. I know how much effort it takes to trend on Twitter, to support us by making accounts and everything. So I know it's not a joke, hindi yan joke. So I really want to say that I appreciate you guys. And yun, I just want to say thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you for 300 viewers. Hi everyone. But yeah, thank you for spending time with me today. I really wanted today to happen talaga. And I'm so glad that it did. And I can't believe that this whole journey was a year ago. It makes me so emotional in a way. Hindi ako mag, hindi ako iiyak. But thank you so much, Lemon. It feels so light. It really does. But yeah, I really can't believe that it's been a year. I'm not gonna cry. I really am not. But I really wanna be. Oh my god. No, we're not gonna do this. I don't wanna cry na naman. Di ako iiyak. I'm really not gonna cry. But J. Carl P, thank you. Pwedeng umiyak. Hindi talaga. Hindi na. Ayoko na. How many times did I come on the live and cry na? This became like my crying center. But yeah. Oh my gosh, Sean, thank you so much! Grabe, thank you so much, guys! So 7 ka na umiyak, bestie. Pigil yarn. Yeah, I'm really gonna stop myself. I don't wanna cry na, guys. Thank you so much, Sean! But yeah, yeah, and I just want to say thank you to everyone to everyone who made this year possible for me, to everyone who supported me, to everyone who voted for me, to everyone who helped me throughout this whole journey. I just want to say thank you talaga. And thank you for your never-ending support. Grabe, 1 year is not a joke. That's such a dedication that I did not expect to receive. So I just want to say thank you talaga for everything. Thank you, Ram Ram. Oh my gosh, Adrian, thank you! Thank you so much! May pa-diamond shower pala si Adrian. Oh, Kuya Bluman, thank you so much. Ang ingay ko na po. Thank you talaga. I'm screaming na here, bestie. But thank you so much, bestie. I miss your voice. Thank you, bestie. I miss you guys too. The challenge is not to scream today. What time ka nag-live? 10 o'clock, bestie. 9:59. But yeah, thank you so much, Kuya Blue Moon. Thank you, Adrian. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to everyone. To everyone who made this year so memorable. Grabe, a year. I can't believe it. It's been a year since my whole life changed. ABCDE, thank you. And you know, I did not expect my whole life to turn around like this. You know, I'm such a normal girl before all of this. As in, like, sobrang I mean, I'm still a normal girl, but like my life was so normal. It was so average before. And yun, I did not expect it to turn around like this. I did not expect this much love and support from everyone. And yun, I'm very appreciative. So thank you so much, guys, for supporting me on this journey. And I hope that you guys will continue to be there. I know that everyone has their personal lives. They're gonna be busy this year and everything. But like, thank you pa rin for making time for me and for Zach, of course, for making time for us. So thank you so much. Iiyak. No, talaga, bestie. I really will not. I am not gonna allow myself to cry today. But yeah, I just wanna say that yun, like it will not be possible if it weren't for you guys. So I'm just very, very thankful. And I'm so excited for what this year has in store for us. I'm gonna take everything day by day. And what is important to me is that I'm doing my best every day. And yun, thank you so much for being by my side. Catherine, thank you. Thank you for being there during my highest and my lowest points, guys. You know, I'm human lang naman. I go through down times as well. But if it weren't for you guys motivating me and helping me all throughout, I really don't know what would happen, you know, because I'm very lucky in the position that I'm in. I'm very, very lucky to have people like you in my life. Kasi not everyone gets to experience this type of, um, this type of life. So I'm very grateful. I'm thankful to God and I'm thankful to the universe, my parents, my friends. I'm not gonna cry talaga. I'm really not gonna cry. But like I'm so thankful to everyone who supported me and to everyone who thank you, Jo. Thank you, Miss Aries. But yeah, I'm very supportive to everyone, to my mom, to my dad, to my brother, to you guys, to everyone who made like Ate Carol, hello po to everyone who made accounts to support us. Grabe kayo. Like, I did not expect PBB culture to be like that, actually. I did not expect people to make accounts on... Hi, Dustin! Hello, Dustin! Happy New Year! But yeah, I didn't expect people to make accounts pala to dedicate to PBB housemates. That's the first time I saw something like that. So to be on the receiving end is such a blessing and it's such an honor. Thank you so much, Sean. But yeah, I'm really appreciative of every single one of you. Thank you talaga from the bottom of my heart. I will never get tired of saying thank you because um I know how much time and dedication it takes. And miss you too, Dustin. I hope to see you soon. Ate Sandy, Cookie mo, hello, Iserbal. Thank you so much for stopping by sa live ko. Di ako iyak. But yeah, yun, I'm very thankful that I'm in such a happy place now. Because it was such a tough journey for me. If I'm gonna be honest lang, it was really such a tough journey for me. And I'm thankful that you guys are still there and supporting me. And sayaw si Cookie mo, really? Sasayaw ka ba? In the meet and greet? Oh, thank you. Thanks, Dustin. Ish, hello. God bless rin, Dustin. Thank you talaga for always supporting me on my life. Thank you. And yun, I'm just so thankful that you guys are there during my highs and my lows and everything that I've been through this year. It was really shaped me to who I am today. As in, I've learned so much this year. I've learned so many things. I've learned so many things about life. I've learned so many things about myself. Part 1 pa lang tayo, bestie. Shout out to the 310 viewers. Thank you talaga. And thank you so much, Dustin. But yeah, I've learned so many things talaga. throughout my journey after PBB. So many things happened to me. I've been certain topics because with like it's very important to be transparent, and like I really want to share what it's like rin on my side and everything. Thank you so much, Dustin. Happy New Year. I hope you enjoyed your New Year. I won't cry. I won't. I'm strong. I'm a tough key. But yeah, yun, I just like I want to say thank you. I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you talaga.